Winter cleaning tips. Maintaining a fresh and comfortable home through the cold season. Welcome back to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. I'm Marcus, and as the temperatures drop and frost blankets our neighborhoods, our living spaces transform into warm retreats where we spend most of our time. The challenge? Winter introduces a whole new set of cleaning obstacles that can quickly turn your cozy sanctuary into a maintenance nightmare if you're not prepared. Cold weather means tracked-in moisture, increased indoor time creating more mess, stubborn salt stains, and closed windows trapping dust and allergens. But here's the good news. With the right approach and strategic habits, you can keep your home spotless and inviting throughout the entire winter season without feeling overwhelmed by constant cleaning. If you're finding value in these practical tips, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our weekly cleaning wisdom. Drop a like on this video if you're ready to tackle winter cleaning head-on, and don't forget to share this with friends or family who might be struggling with seasonal home maintenance. Your support helps us reach more people who can benefit from these proven strategies. Let's dive into these essential winter cleaning techniques that will keep your home looking pristine and feeling comfortable no matter how harsh the weather gets outside. Number 1. Managing your entry areas. The entrance to your home becomes ground zero for winter messiness. Snow-covered boots, dripping umbrellas, wet coats, and an endless stream of outdoor debris make their way inside every single time someone crosses your threshold. This constant assault of moisture and dirt can quickly spread throughout your entire living space if not properly contained. Invest in heavy-duty absorbent floor mats both outside and inside each doorway. These mats serve as your first line of defense against winter grime. Position a designated shoe storage system, whether it's a multi-tiered rack, a decorative basket, or a built-in cubby right next to your entrance. Make it convenient and obvious for everyone in your household and all visitors to remove their outdoor footwear immediately upon entering. Create a specific zone for wet winter accessories. Install hooks at varying heights for coats and jackets, and place a waterproof tray or mat underneath for umbrellas and dripping outerwear. This containment strategy prevents moisture from spreading across your floors and reduces the amount of cleaning required in other areas of your home. Commit to vacuuming and mopping your entryways at least twice per week during winter months, or even more frequently if you have high traffic. Don't wait for visible dirt accumulation. Staying ahead of the mess is far easier than trying to remove ground-in grime later. Pay a special attention to corners and edges where salt residue tends to accumulate and can damage flooring over time. 2. Maximizing natural light through clean windows. Winter days shrink dramatically, leaving us with limited, precious hours of natural sunlight. Every ray of light that enters your home becomes valuable for both mood and visibility. Dirty windows covered with fingerprints, water spots, streaks, and grime act as barriers that block and diffuse incoming light, making your interior spaces feel dimmer and more oppressive during already gloomy winter months. Make window cleaning a monthly priority throughout the cold season. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle for an effective streak-free cleaning solution that costs pennies. Spray generously on both sides of the glass, then wipe clean using microfiber cloths, which lift dirt without leaving behind lint or fibers that paper towels often deposit. Don't forget about window sills, frames, and tracks, which accumulate dust, dead insects, and condensation residue. Use a small brush or old toothbrush to dislodge debris from tracks, then vacuum or wipe clean. Addressing these often overlooked areas not only improves appearance, but also prevents long-term damage from moisture buildup. Clean windows transform your home's atmosphere completely. You'll immediately notice brighter rooms, improved views of winter landscapes, and an overall fresher feeling that makes the cold season more bearable indoors. Controlling dust and indoor allergens. Sealed windows and doors that keep cold air out also trap allergens, dust particles, and stale air inside your home. Heating systems circulate these irritants continuously, and without fresh air exchange, the concentration builds to levels that can trigger respiratory issues, allergies, and general discomfort. Establish a comprehensive dusting routine that goes beyond surface-level cleaning. Target ceiling fan blades, which collect surprising amounts of dust and distribute it throughout rooms when running. Clean air vents and returns thoroughly, as these directly affect your heating system's efficiency and the quality of air circulating through your home. Don't neglect baseboards, door frames, light fixtures, and the tops of cabinets and furniture, all prime dust-collecting real estate. Use microfiber dusting tools that capture and hold particles rather than just pushing them around. Work from top to bottom so falling dust doesn't settle on already clean surfaces below. Consider running a vacuum with a HEPA filter after dusting to capture any particles that became airborne during the cleaning process. Regular, thorough dusting doesn't just maintain appearances, it significantly improves indoor air quality during months when you're spending most of your time breathing recycled indoor air. Your lungs, your sinuses, and anyone with respiratory sensitivities will thank you.
4. Providing deep care for carpets and rugs. Carpeted areas take an absolute beating during winter months. Every footstep brings in moisture that soaks into fibers, dirt particles that grind into the pile, and salt crystals that can actually damage carpet materials while leaving unsightly white residue. The accumulated impact can permanently degrade your carpeting if not addressed properly. Increase your vacuuming frequency to at least twice weekly for high-traffic areas, using slow, overlapping passes that give your vacuum time to extract embedded particles. Pay extra attention to areas near entrances, hallways, and rooms where people naturally congregate. Empty your vacuum's dust container or replace bags regularly to maintain suction power. Schedule a thorough deep cleaning for all carpeted areas at least once during the winter season, or more frequently if you have pets or children. Deep cleaning removes the ground-in dirt and residue that regular vacuuming can't reach, revitalizes carpet appearance, eliminates odors trapped in fibers, and extends the overall lifespan of your flooring investment. For area rugs, take them outside on a dry day and shake them vigorously to release embedded dirt. Hang them over a railing or fence and beat them with a broom to dislodge particles that have settled deep in the pile. This old-fashioned technique remains remarkably effective and gives your rugs a refresh between professional cleanings. 5. Refreshing upholstered furniture. Your couches, chairs, and other upholstered furniture see increased use during winter as everyone naturally gravitates toward comfortable indoor seating. All this additional contact means more body oils, spills, crumbs, pet hair, and general wear accumulating on fabric surfaces. Vacuum all upholstered furniture weekly using your vacuum's upholstery attachment. Remove cushions and vacuum underneath and in crevices where crumbs and debris collect. Use the crevice tool to reach into seams and tight spaces where dirt hides. This regular maintenance prevents buildup and keeps furniture looking fresh between deeper cleanings. Address spills and stains immediately before they have time to set into fabric fibers. Blot, never rub, liquid spills with clean, absorbent cloths. For stubborn stains, test any cleaning solution on an inconspicuous area first to ensure it won't damage or discolor the fabric. Consult your furniture's care tags for specific cleaning recommendations based on fabric type. If your furniture has developed persistent odors or visible soiling, consider a professional upholstery cleaning service. These specialists have the equipment and expertise to deep clean without damaging delicate fabrics or causing excessive moisture that could lead to mold issues. 6. Preparing and maintaining your fireplace. For those fortunate enough to have a fireplace, winter represents the season when this feature transitions from decorative element to functional heat source and gathering spot. However, a fireplace requires proper preparation and ongoing maintenance to operate safely and efficiently. Before your first fire of the season, remove all ash, soot, and debris from the firebox using a specialized Fireplace shovel and ash bucket. Clean the hearth area, glass doors if applicable, and surrounding surfaces. Schedule a professional chimney inspection and cleaning to identify any blockages, creosote buildup, or structural issues that could create fire hazards or allow dangerous gases to enter your home. Throughout the burning season, maintain your fireplace by removing ashes regularly once they've completely cooled, typically waiting at least 24 hours after your last fire. Store ashes in a metal container with a tight-fitting lid, kept outside, away from your home and any combustible materials, as hot embers can remain active for days. Clean the glass doors weekly if your fireplace has them, as soot buildup reduces visibility and diminishes the aesthetic appeal. Use a specialized fireplace glass cleaner or make a paste from ash and damp newspaper for an effective chemical-free cleaning method. A well-maintained fireplace not only provides warmth and ambiance, but also serves as a beautiful focal point in your home throughout the winter season.
7. Organizing winter clothing and accessories. Winter wardrobes are bulky, numerous, and easily create chaos if not properly organized. Coats, jackets, scarves, hats, gloves, boots, and snow pants quickly pile up in entry areas, bedrooms, and closets, creating visual clutter and making it difficult to find what you need when heading outside. Designate specific storage locations for each family member's winter gear. Use labeled hooks, baskets, or bins so everyone knows exactly where their items belong. Install additional hooks if necessary to accommodate the volume of winter outerwear. Consider using over-the-door organizers for smaller accessories like gloves, hats, and scarves. Conduct weekly checks of your winter storage area to return misplaced items to their proper locations, shake out or brush off any debris, and assess whether items need washing or repair. Wet items should be dried completely before storage to prevent mildew and odors. As winter progresses and children outgrow items or you realize certain pieces aren't getting used, remove them from your active storage. Donate usable items to charity or pass them along to friends or family who can benefit from them. Keeping only what you actually use makes daily organization far more manageable.
8. Maintaining kitchen cleanliness. Winter naturally brings increased cooking and baking activity. Holiday preparations, comfort foods, hot beverages, and the general appeal of a warm kitchen draw us to this space more frequently. With increased use comes increased mess, making consistent kitchen maintenance essential. Commit to cleaning your oven at least once during the winter season, or more often if you're doing heavy baking. Burnt-on spills and grease buildup affect cooking performance, create smoke and odors, and present fire risks. Whether using commercial oven cleaners or natural methods like baking soda paste, a clean oven performs better and looks more appealing. Wipe down all countertops, backsplashes, and cabinet fronts daily to prevent grease film and food residue from building up. Pay special attention to areas around the stove and sink where splatters and spills naturally occur most frequently. Use appropriate cleaners for your specific countermaterial to avoid damage. Organize your pantry before winter holiday season begins, removing expired items and grouping similar products together. Clean shelves thoroughly before restocking. An organized pantry makes meal preparation more efficient and helps you track what you have on hand, reducing food waste and unnecessary purchases. Don't neglect your refrigerator and freezer. Clean these appliances thoroughly before holiday shopping trips to create space for special ingredients and leftovers. Remove expired items, wipe down all surfaces with food-safe cleaner, and organize contents so everything is visible and accessible. Clean door seals to maintain proper temperature control and energy efficiency. 9. Preventing bathroom mold and mildew. Bathrooms face unique challenges during winter months. Hot showers and cold weather create dramatic temperature contrasts that generate excessive condensation on walls, ceilings, mirrors, and windows. This moisture creates perfect conditions for mold and mildew growth, which presents both aesthetic and health concerns. Scrub tile surfaces, grout lines, and shower enclosures weekly using appropriate cleaning products. Pay particular attention to corners, edges, and areas where water tends to pool.
Mold and mildew establish themselves in these spots first, then spread to larger areas if left unchecked. Wash or replace shower curtains regularly, as these fabric or plastic surfaces trap moisture and develop mildew quickly. Machine washable fabric curtains should go through the laundry monthly with detergent and a bit of bleach or vinegar. Plastic curtains can be wiped down or replaced inexpensively when they become dingy. Improve bathroom ventilation to combat moisture issues at their source. Run exhaust fans during showers and for at least 20 minutes afterward to remove humid air. If your bathroom lacks adequate ventilation, consider installing a timer switch that keeps the fan running automatically, or crack a window slightly when weather permits to allow air exchange. Keep bathroom surfaces as dry as possible between uses. Wipe down shower walls after bathing, squeegee glass doors, and use bathroom rugs with washable, quick-drying materials. These simple habits dramatically reduce moisture-related problems. 10. Creating and following a cleaning schedule. Winter schedules get hectic with holiday preparations, weather-related disruptions, and the general chaos of family life during cold months. Without a clear cleaning plan, essential tasks get postponed indefinitely, leading to overwhelming buildup that requires major effort to address. Develop a realistic cleaning schedule that breaks tasks into manageable chunks, rather than trying to deep clean everything in one exhausting session. Assign specific tasks to specific days, perhaps Monday for bathrooms, Wednesday for vacuuming, Friday for kitchen deep cleaning. This approach prevents any single day from becoming overwhelming, while ensuring all areas receive regular attention. Write your schedule down and post it somewhere visible where all household members can see it. When everyone knows what needs to happen and when, tasks are more likely to get completed. Consider rotating responsibilities among family members so the burden doesn't fall entirely on one person. Be flexible and forgiving with yourself. Winter brings unexpected challenges like illness, weather emergencies, and busy periods that disrupt even the best planned schedules. If you miss a scheduled task, simply resume the routine as soon as possible, rather than abandoning it entirely or feeling guilty. Remember that consistency matters more than perfection. A modest cleaning routine followed regularly yields far better results than sporadic deep cleaning marathons followed by weeks of neglect.
Conclusion. Winter cleaning doesn't have to feel like an impossible burden on top of all the other challenges cold weather brings. With these strategic approaches focused on high-impact areas, you can maintain a clean, comfortable, and welcoming home throughout the entire season without spending all your time scrubbing and organizing. The key is developing sustainable habits, addressing problems before they become overwhelming, and focusing your efforts where they make the most visible difference. Your entryways, windows, carpets, and frequently used spaces deserve consistent attention, while other areas can be maintained with less frequent but thorough cleaning sessions. A clean home during winter months isn't just about appearances. It directly impacts your health, comfort, mood, and overall quality of life during the season when you're spending the most time indoors. Investing time in proper maintenance pays dividends in reduced stress, improved air quality, and a space that truly feels like the cozy sanctuary you need during cold weather. If these tips helped you develop a better winter cleaning strategy, make sure you're subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical advice delivered weekly. Leave a comment below sharing your biggest winter cleaning challenge or your favorite tip for keeping your home fresh during cold months. And please share this video with anyone who might benefit from these strategies. Helping others creates a community of people supporting each other through seasonal challenges. Stay warm, stay clean, and I'll see you in the next video where we tackle even more ways to make home maintenance simpler and more effective. This is Marcus reminding you that a little consistent effort creates a home you'll love living in all winter long.